Good morning. I'm Laura Anderson. It's 7:26 at News Radio 97.7 and AM 1290. On the line with us is Clark Hodges, financial strategist, Fox News consultant. So, Clark, we have these lower gas prices. It's been this way for a couple of months. It's been fabulous to fill up my car for $30 instead of $50. What's happening with spending as a result of the lower gas prices?
Well, the retailers, the movie industry, the restaurant industry, they're all just kind of licking their chops. They're really excited about what's taking place. And I think when the numbers come out for Christmas, we'll recognize that Christmas was very, very good. And to a lot of extent, the reason is the gas prices are where they are. Everybody's got more money in their pocket to spend.
And it has been wonderful. Clark Hodges, financial strategist, Fox News consultant. So with the lower gas prices, how long do you expect them to stick?
You know, you look at the oil, the price per barrel of oil, it's come down from the 90, 95 range down to the low 50s. And I don't think it's going to snap back overnight. I could see most of 2015 where that price is under $80, $85 a barrel. And that bodes well for a pretty low, relatively speaking, gas price at the retail level that we've been paying. So I suspect that we'll stay under $3 for a long, long time. It may tick back up. You've got the driving seasons that kind of run that. Closer to summer, we might get a little tick back up. But I expect a pretty good year from that standpoint.
This has been making me very happy, Clark, because I drive about 40 minutes to work every day, so I use up a lot of gas, put a lot of miles on my car every year.
You're seeing a real savings.
And
You're having a lot more money in your pocket at the end of every month.
What is a good plan for folks who are saving this kind of money at the gas pumps to put it towards debt? What would the steps be?
Well, in my opinion, you've got a tax break or a little bonus here that you need to be wise about. You need to think about what you're doing with it because you've been used to spending that money on a necessity. Now you've got the ability to actually invest it. And in my opinion, that's the best way to go with this excess money. Let's say on average you're putting $50 extra a month into your pocket. Most people don't understand and realize that you could go out and pick out a mutual fund that's tied to the stock market, and you could dollar cost average into that fund $50 a month. Doesn't sound like a lot, but over time you will really be shocked at how much money you can accumulate by having a consistent pattern of money into that fund every single month. And the compounded interest in it over years will turn into a really nice nest egg for people. And if you look at it like you're getting this nest egg for your future just by having low gas prices and being wise with the money, I think that's a really good way to go.
Financial strategist and Fox News consultant Clark Hodges on how we're saving money at the pumps and some good things to do with it. So, Clark, if we invest the money into mutual funds, I know there are different levels of mutual funds. What level should we shoot for with this extra money?
Well, it depends on your situation. I think if you're a younger person, you want to go growth, and you want to try to take advantage of the growth of the market over a 5 or 10 year period. If you're a little bit older and you're closer to retirement, you may take a more conservative approach and buy some sort of income-producing mutual fund that's a little bit safer, doesn't have the returns that a growth fund potentially can have. But I think that most people don't understand that when you buy a fund, you're buying pieces of companies. You're actually an owner of businesses. And if that company, let's take, for example, Apple Computer, if that company does well, you're going to benefit from it. Your price of your stock is going to go up over time. So you're actually an owner of that business and benefiting from the growth in that business. So when people go out and buy iPhones, you can say, hey, I'm participating in that to a certain extent. And that's taking the viewpoint as an owner rather than a consumer. And when you are a consumer and all you think about is consuming products, you have zero in your bank account at the end of each month. But when you think about being an owner of businesses, your mindset changes to where you say, hey, if I curtail the spending at Starbucks this month, I might be able to put $75 a month into that pocket pool of money that I'm trying to own businesses with. So the mentality it creates by thinking about putting something away on a regular basis really does benefit your future and your net worth down the road.
Really fabulous advice. Thank you so much, Clark.
You're welcome. Thanks for having me on, and Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you as well. Clark Hodges, financial strategist and Fox News consultant. Wow, great advice. It's 7:31. I'm Laura Anderson, back from vacation on Friday.